searching both this world and its twin, looking for a place that I might belong, more than a shadow to all my sin. Now maybe it's time to step up, like I've never seen a better reason why. Come here, darling, I'm gonna lose me in those flashing hot emerald eyes. Try to be the word when you can't listen, I try to be the voice when you can't sing. I try to be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything. I wanna rescue you from your nightmares and be a part of all your dreams. I wanna be the eyes that you see through when darkness covers everything. Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching. I'm Wes, this is Tom. We go around New England telling you where the gold is, where it isn't. And we're staying at this camp, and we just got up. And first thing we want to do is go over and get some breakfast. Yesterday we missed it because we were kind of late, but we were late. We shouldn't miss it today. But
unless they don't serve on the Fridays before holiday weekends, then we'll miss it.
so we don't want to miss it. So let's go do that. Let's go!
Yeah, and then we find out in a few months.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're starting that.
I'll take 2 eggs over easy with bacon, home fries, and a light homemade toast.
I'll have 3 scrambled. There's sausage patties, homemade white toast.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. You were with onions, right?
Yeah, we just switched things like
Yep. Onions for me.
Yeah, he's the
Oh,
onion.
I'm sorry. I thought you were.
Thank you. What do you think?
They're going in on the outside.
Oh, look at those cinnamon rolls. I do good till I get up to the cookies.
Yeah.
Can't get in there to get the cookies.
Crumpets.
Oh, look at those chocolate chips.
Wow, look at that. Well, we're back at the camp. We got back from breakfast. Breakfast was delish. And we just came to pick up our supplies for the river. And we're going to be heading out on the river. We better check with the hip bee, though, because the weather don't look so good.
It's been raining.
Hey, all you groovy dudes and you slap happy hippies. This is Hip B, and I'm here to give you the weather. Let's go! It's cloudy, and you may get some rain. Scattered showers. You'll clear up later on, but it's gonna get much colder. You better put your knickers on. Now, today, I'm gonna go apply for a job down the road here. They're looking for someone to hang mirrors. And that's a job I can see myself doing.
Thank you, Hip Bee. Well, we better bring a nice duck umbrella with us, just in case. We're going to pack up. We're going to go over to Rosie's. We got a little shopping to do. We may get a giveaway before we head out to the river. So no more dilly-dallying. Let's go!
These are my friends, Arthur
who
Arthur, nice to
is
meet you.
100. He's going to be 101 soon.
Right on.
Nice.
Alcina, you are 96? 97. Huh? I missed one. Your daughter Donna.
Nice to meet
Wes
you.
and Tom. And
We're
Donna.
here at the Coos Canyon Rockin' Gift Shop, and Rosie introduced us to some of her friends. Arthur, Althena. And they've been married 78 years, I think you said. Wow, that's a accomplishment nowadays. And this is their daughter.
Hi, Donna.
Donna, nice to meet you. I'm terrible with names. People can tell me, I'll forget right away.
But you're not alone.
You guys, I went up there, it was like, I couldn't get in my car. It's from here to the candy box. He was on the other side, so we was gonna go call, you know. Then I come back and taking a walk yesterday, I got to my front porch, and there he is from here to the thing.
Are you
I go in there and I go, oh, that looks like a stuffed animal. And I never seen the bobcat close up, and this is what I thought it was.
Yeah,
He must be hungry.
This high. And you could tell he's walking funny, you know, his old sides all banged up.
Blocking those
Let me,
people.
that was exciting, huh, guys?
Yeah.
To be here.
I wanted to go take a picture of it, but I felt intrusive. Hello.
They found that wild cat. They did?
Yeah, Paul Anderson just left. It's at his house.
All right, we're almost on the river, but we had to do some shopping over there. We got some Christmas gifts, and the guy, we heard, last week's episode, if you didn't see it, we mentioned briefly about a wild, exotic, vicious beast running around in the woods out here. And it was a serval cat, which don't belong around here, so it must have been...
From Africa.
Yeah, they're from Africa. Here's a picture.
That's the actual picture of the one that's
Yeah.
used here.
This is, I'll give you another picture. This is what a clear picture of what they look like. But the first picture, this picture, is the picture of the one that's up here. And we were talking about it, and then as we were talking about it with Rosie and her friends that were in there, a guy came in and said, "It's in my yard." So, the vicious beast is in his yard.
He said he couldn't get in his truck because it was sitting there.
Yeah, but he thinks it might be injured or something, so we'll keep you posted on that. It was probably somebody's pet and it got too much to handle and they decided to just ditch it in the woods, but it's not going to survive out here.
They only eat live food, so.
Yeah. So hopefully they can get it and bring it to some place and save its life. But there you go. We'll keep you posted on that. And while we were in there, we got something for a giveaway. Well, something was given to us. Let me show you. What do we got? Pay dirt, gold.
Wow.
From Reggie Poria. We saw him up here. He got us some pay dirt.
Gold-bearing pay dirt.
Look at that, from Reggie Poria.
That's not
Thank
it.
you, Reggie. And that's not all. Oh, look at that. That one's different.
It's got a little point.
A slice of geode. Look at that. Wow.
I like the blue ones. That's
Yeah.
nice.
So those both can be yours. Just stay tuned. We got a secret word coming. And you can find out how that is. We'll tell you how to win that later. But now we got to get down on the river. Let's go. All right, we made it out on the river. We did a lot this morning before we even got here. It's around noontime, I think. Is it? Maybe
About one.
Maybe a little after. But we're in this dry channel. There's no water here. There's puddles, so I can pan in the puddles. And the reason we're here, well, I'll show you. We're digging in this hole. We call it Jesse and Randy's hole because this is where they were dredging. The dredging season's over. But since we were here last, more has been dug from underneath this rock. Now this rock right here is moving. So I'm going to try to get as much as I can down from under there and then move it in and then dig on the other side and see what's over there. But I also want to go down the very bottom and use my suction pump and see if I can get, because I got some gold out of there yesterday. Found a nice little picker in there, so we're going to play around in there. And we said if we find a nugget, we'll chop it in half and give half to Jesse and Randy. So I'm sure they're going to be watching this, calling us vultures.
We are.
Now, before we start digging, we got to take a look at this shirt, because everybody's been looking at it, and I haven't really shown it to you. And it's just all stuff.
It's just wild and crazy.
No rhyme or reason, just colors. Looks nice. Looks like a big broken stained glass window.
My mom got it for me.
Oh, did she?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she did good.
It was an early birthday present.
Very good, Barbara. And what are you eating? He's already eaten. He just had breakfast.
Nothing.
No, that's something. That's definitely something. What is it?
It's a cookie
Oh, it's a sugar cookie.
from Mills Market.
A homemade sugar cookie from Mills Market. How can you beat that?
I couldn't walk by it.
They bake their own bread there, and cookies and pastries and things.
Pizzas.
Pizzas.
That's in Andover.
Andover, Maine. We're gonna get digging. Doug Pottle sent me this. You know what that is?
We didn't.
I thought it was a gold pan at first, but it's not. It's a bucket wobbler. You put it on your bucket like that, there, so it makes it easier to wobble. Now on a flat surface, I tried it out at home, and on a flat surface it works good. We'll see how it works on the river. You fill it with some water.
In the bucket. I don't even think a drop went in there. Trying to drain out Jesse and Randy's hole a little bit so we can see what's going on down there. How's that rock tumbler working? Bucket tumbler.
It does make it easier, I think.
Yeah,
I
looks
haven't
like
seen
it.
My only concern is when the bucket gets full, but so far,
Yeah, it looks like to me like it works pretty good.
I like it.
Thank you, Doug. We appreciate it.
taking a breather. I've got, I don't know, almost a half. I only want about a half a bucket. That'll be about 4 or 5 pans worth of material to work. And it's real slow going. You can only get little bits of material at a time. Because you can't use a shovel. Because when your shovel is like this, the gold slides out right back out. Now, I have a box shovel, so, you know, when you get down, you got to be able to get your shovel into the material. And I can't. You scoop, and that's it. You can't, because the hole's too deep. So the hand pump is the way to go. But that only takes out maybe 2 or 3 cups of material at a time. But
Lots of excuses.
it's prime material, though, because it's where you want to be. It's down. It's where the meat is. He's not eating nothing this time.
Yeah, I am.
What do you got?
I got a mint.
Oh, he's got a mint. Always. Oh, boy. Let me show you where I'm digging. I got some water out of the hole. Right here is a flat ledge of bedrock. This is bedrock right here, and it goes down that way. And then it comes up and around. There's a flat ledge that runs back in. And I cleaned that ledge off, and I got as much as I could. It's tough. The scoop won't even. So now I'm down. If I want more out of there, I got to get a spoon. So I'm going to be using the hand pump. And when I think I've got everything I can out of the bottom of that, I'm going to tip this rock into the hole. And then try to dig what's on the other side over here. And when that goes into the hole, it should still leave this part over here where I can still take that as well. So that's the plan. What do you think?
Maybe.
It turned out to be a really nice day. Look at it. Nice sky, nice foliage. They said it was supposed to rain, but I don't see nothing.
It did rain earlier, though.
It did rain earlier, yeah.
Something stuck?
Yeah. Clogged. Making a big seam. I'd take the handle off my bucket. Back in business. What's there?
Oh, yeah, 2?
Yeah.
1, 2. 2 pieces. Not big pieces, but they're pieces. We'll suck those up anyways.
Yeah, 2 pieces. Right there. Thought there was another one. Yeah, there's another real small one down there, right in the center of the screen. And then that piece.
Seeing anything?
No.
Oh, that looks like a skunk. Hoping this pan's better than the last one.
Well, yeah, a couple skunkaroos, and none of them have been really good pans so far.
No.
And there's no bedrock down here, so.
We got to stop back in at the gift shop, see Rosie, maybe get an update if they captured that cat or what.
Yeah. Vicious beast.
Vicious beast. It only feeds on live food, so that's not something you want running around in an area that is not native to. I don't know where it came from. They thought maybe it outgrew, someone was keeping it illegally at home in Maine, and it outgrew their home and became too vicious and wild, so they brought it up here to Coos Canyon and dropped it off. They're not really sure.
This one actually has 2.
Oh, 2 pieces. Let's go check that out. Here's 1. Here's 2. There you go. Small pieces, but we're still gonna suck them up.
Things don't get better, I'm not going to dig in it anymore.
Mica, fool's gold. Yeah, skunk.
Bottom of the bucket, the best part.
It can't be any worse than your last 3 pans, right?
1 small piece, maybe 2. There's 2 pieces, right there. Yeah. Well, that wasn't that great. But there's always hope for the next bucket. But I don't think I'm gonna, I think I might try to follow that bedrock and see what I can get off of that. And then maybe tip that big rock down into the hole and dig around the other side of it. We'll see. Play it by ear.
When all else fails, you reach for a cookie.
What's he got? He's got a cookie.
This is a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup cookie.
Reese's peanut butter cup cookie. You gotta watch my girlish figure.
Oh.
Break my shovel.
Yeah, don't break the shovel.
Too rotted. Well, I guess it's gonna stay where it is. Now, this one was, most of this was on top of bedrock, so I have higher expectations.
Seeing anything?
Nothing.
Well. Gold dance didn't work for that pan, that's for sure.
Don't give up on the gold dance yet. Sometimes I have to run water over it to see how it moves. But that's nothing again.
Oh, it didn't move too good then.
I can't believe we found a picker and gold, nice gold, well, a picker and some other pieces in that same hole last time we were here. And now, I don't know.
It's right up.
Until the last pan sings.
That's the way it goes with gold prospecting. You can do really well in the hole, and then you go back, and then there's nothing.
Yeah.
It's just the way it goes.
It gets your hopes up just to smash them. And I was liking that bedrock. I thought the bedrock looked good.
Yeah, I thought so too.
You know, I mean, there's nothing.
Gonkaroo.
There's something in it.
Black sand?
No, there's a piece of gold.
Oh. Hey, the gold dams worked.
It worked. Right there.
Oh yeah, a little piece right there.
And I also found one of these. These are when they're wet. See it in the pan? How red it is. I'm trying to remember the name.
Where is it?
Right here.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Oh yeah, that's a nice rock.
It's
Or gem.
when you polish them, they're really pretty. They're red like that. The name is slipping my mind. They're common, but when you get a nice piece of it, I usually keep them.
Oh, here you're yelling.
Well, I got a piece.
It's another piece.
Well, yeah, but it's probably the biggest piece that we found today.
Well, let me come down there.
I don't even have to point it out. Should be able to see it. Look at that. There it is. Right there.
Yeah, that's the bottom of the bucket right there. Down to the nitty grits on the last pan of the day, the bottom of the bucket. Let's see. It's not looking too good.
No, I don't see nothing.
Ah.
I'm going to pan it down a little more, but it don't look good. Let's see what we have here.
See what we got for the day.
Okay. This is what we got for the day. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and then 2 that look like they're covered with mercury because they're kind of white, and 1 over here. And that. So, it wasn't a great day, but it's gold and we love it. Well, we found a little bit of gold. But it's a beautiful day on the river either way. We're going to bug out. We want to make it over to Rosie's before she closes. We're going to sit and have a coffee and check our email and
Check on the cat.
oh, and find out about that vicious beast that was running around. That Serval Cat. I've never heard of it, but some African type of cat. So maybe you'll get some help and be saved. I'd hate to see him die because someone threw him away. All right, let's pack it up and go, and maybe we can find out.
They caught the cat.
Did they? That's what we were asking. We were coming back to find out.
They caught the
They
cat.
caught him.
So they're gonna try to see if they can save it, or?
Yes. So, yes.
So the guy that wanted to trap it went up and
caught it with a snare.
Ah.
Oh,
And then
wow.
the animal control officer went up with a cage, and they got it, and she took it over to the vets. I said, is the cat okay? Like, is it gonna make it? I heard it has some major injuries, and she said, I don't know for sure. I know that it has a broken pelvis and a broken leg, and the broken pelvis could be a problem. So,
You know, hope for the best, you know.
Yeah.
he's in the hands now.
right.
So-
At least he's being cared for by the right people.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
Where'd you end up getting the sleuths from?
This comes from a pawn shop in Berwick.
Oh, really?
We're up here at Coos Canyon Rock and Gift. We're just about to leave, and look who comes in. It's Brian Kennison. This isn't his neck of the woods.
Yeah, let's take a look at the sluice.
He's got a new sluice, one of those big A52S's.
Real beauty there.
He got it for a good deal. He finds these deals. He's a yard sale and flea market. Look at that. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, look at that.
Ta-da!
That's great.
Comes apart pretty easy.
Yep.
Had to reassemble it. They had it all assembled wrong.
Oh, did
Had all the bolts sticking in.
Well, then you can't get anything out. Look at that.
Nice.
Each of these mats separate.
Yeah, and I like that middle one. It has a nice rubber one too.
That's my new favorite thing. You see what I put on my
Yeah,
sluice in the
yeah.
flare? The other sluice?
I've been using the Dream Mat. I really like it.
Can you shovel any size gravel in there? Does it matter?
Doesn't matter.
Goes
it's
right
just
over it?
blows right off and all the stuff. Oh, there's a bunch of colors up in there.
I see it.
But that's the size of the gold that
Yeah.
you get.
Yeah.
And for every 5-gallon bucket, you'll get 50 colors like
Wow.
that. Every single one.
Hi, Boo. Don't be afraid. You know what? How's it going? There he is, the legend of Byron. And Boo. Yeah, I'm nice. Look at that. Ron donated 2 nuggets to our nugget giveaway case, and they're beauties. Thank you, Ron. Right on, right on. I know. Well, thanks, Ron. We're out here. We got to get back and get a fire going. The rain has started now. He donated 2 nuggets, so we're going to be seeing them in the case in upcoming episodes. So, and there's Boo. There he is. He's in the dark there, but we can see him.
She doesn't want to talk right now.
All right, we got to head back to camp, so let's go! We're back at the camp. We went over to visit Ron at the Coos Canyon campground.
And Boo.
And Boo. Don't forget about Boo.
Who's the star? Ron's the legend.
Yep. And did we tell you the cat was caught? That Serval Cat. And
what a wild looking animal, huh?
yeah, someone went and caught it with a snare and brought it to a place for help. It has a broken leg and a broken pelvis, so it must have got hit by a car. But it was still alive, and the guy that reported it said it was vicious. Oh, if it was hurt, it's probably, you know, you don't want to get too close to those things. So anyway, it's getting the care that it needs. If we find out in the future what happens to it, either way, it's getting the care that it needs. Hopefully, they find a place for it, home, and it survives and does good. And we don't have to worry about being attacked by a vicious cat.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry. We're gonna eat. Let's do it. Onions are going in. Alrighty. Let's take a look. Looking good. Smells good. We got onions and we got... Now, we got this right here. Grill Mates Island Wood Fire Grill. And we like it, but we don't use it as a marinade. And there's directions on the back which say add oil and cider vinegar. We don't use none of that either. We never follow instructions. So we're going to put some of this in, but you got to be careful. We're not going to put the whole thing because it's strong. And we're going to put it around there like this. Sprinkle it. A little bit more. And that's about it. We're going to add a little bit of water. And then we're going to mix that all up. Also going to take, of course, some hip bee honey, and it goes really good with that to sweeten up the spiciness of that Island Wood Fire Grill. I can smell the seasonings already. Look at that. Whoa. A little bit more. See that honey melting in there? And we're gonna mix that up nice, and we're gonna simmer this for a little bit. There he is. Gonna work his magic.
You want some rice?
Yes. Start with a nice bed of rice.
That is hot.
Yeah.
Look at that.
And this Island Grill seasoning.
Well, I can smell the ginger in that.
Yeah, there's ginger. There's all kinds of tropical spices. And there you have it. That's what we're known. That's not.
No.
No, we're going big. We're going bold here. This is like a fusion dish where you fuse two different kinds of ethnic foods.
Well, the truth is, this is what we have left.
Yeah. Got some sour cream. I'm gonna put right on that. A dollop of sour cream. A dollop of sour cream. Right there. And some salsa. Salsa. Salsa right in there like that too. There you have it. Look at that. Look at that.
Voila.
We're going to take that over to the table and we'll tell you what this tastes like. I don't know. There's some good different flavors in here. We'll see. Here we are for the moment of truth. It smells really good. Let me mix up the salsa and the rice and the sour cream. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
It's hot, but it's good.
Okay. I got it blended well. Blended well. Here we go. Oh, those are different flavors. More ginger.
A lot of ginger. I think it's really good.
It is really
Very
good.
different.
It is really good. That's great. That's great.
Thumbs up to that.
We're gonna eat this. And we'll be back. I'd like to take this time to thank our members, those who hit that join button. These names you see on the screen are those members, and they are special people. These people help us to continue making these videos. If you'd like to be on this screen, hit that join button and become a member. Thank you. Here we are in the corner. That was really good.
Yeah.
Different flavors. Instead of the same old thing, that's different.
Lots of ginger.
Lots
That
of
was the
ginger.
main
I don't know what
flavor.
the other spices are in there.
I don't know. I just taste ginger.
Yeah. We got that giveaway. Pay dirt donated by Reggie Poria. Thank you very much. If I have a picture, I'll put it up. There he is. And a slice of geode going with that. All you got to do is use the secret word. There is no secret word?
Yeah, no secret word to
There's
that.
no secret word. That's the secret. There's no secret. So those people that are looking for a secret word, they'll be reading all the comments, trying to figure out what the secret word is, and they won't know. So put a comment down below using any words you want. Make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. Do those three things. I'm going to draw a winner from the comments under this video. Not in the chat, in the comment section of the video. And so good luck. Anything else? Don't forget to check out thehitbee.com and get yourself some honey. That's about it, I guess, huh?
Yeah, you said enough.
Thank you all for coming. We'll see you next week.
Peace.
Peace.